try this again. I'm gonna need a battery very soon. So what's up, guys? I hope this is recording this time. Been having some issues with my GoPro Hero 5, so I mounted a lithium anchor battery pack to the side. And then I took a ride to V's house, and the whole way, no mic. Not only no mic, it didn't charge at all either. So I took everything apart. I mean, I have a rubber band holding in my mic jack now. So the funny thing is, like, I go into the GoPro and it would say mic preference, and then it says not available, like it's not connected. But as soon as I unplugged it and plugged it back in, it came in and said standard mic. So I don't understand that. But anyway, enough of that. I got a little surprise today. Take a ride up to Kent and then I'll show you. You never know what treasures you may find while you're riding a motorcycle. And a lot of people ask me questions, where'd you buy your hawk? Where do you buy your hawks? Personally, I have two bikes that came from Texas Power Sports, txpowersports.com. Friends of mine have bought Hawks 3, and they bought them from txpowersports.com also. They seem to be the best, reliable. They all have their problems. Some have a lot of problems, like never get back to you kind of problems when they kind of make a deal with you, and which I don't really want to mention any names. Figured since I'm doing these videos and everybody's always asking me, I got you guys, if you order, you get $25 off if you use MotoCheez in a coupon code. That's right, MotoCheez. $25 isn't a lot. It'll put a few tanks of gas in your Hawk, and not only do you get $25 off, you get premium service. If you call on the telephone, mention MotoCheez, and if you do end up buying a Hawk or Magician or whatever else through Texas Power Sports, let me know. That's why I'm actually recommending them, because out of all the places, they seem to be the least bad. If that makes sense, because they all have issues. Going up here in Kent, place that Blade and me scoped out, that I'm wanting to do a video. It seems like no one can get the time, we can't coordinate to go together, so I'm going by myself. And V doesn't have his Hawk ready yet. V, I'm all by myself. Shut the fuck up! So my fuel light's still flashing. I'll show you guys how far we can go when the fuel light's still flashing. I'll check that place out someday. On another note, I'm going to be going to Pennsylvania the end of July. I'm taking my Jeep. I got a rack for the back of my new Jeep that's aluminum that I want to put together, and I'm hoping maybe take the Honda or the Hawk, one or the other. I want to do some off-road trails with the Jeep, but I also would love to take the bike and do some trails with that too. I'm going to go to the AOAA and try that out. I'm looking at Centralia. You know what game and movie they made out of that, don't you? Silent Hill. Oh yeah. The town that's still burning. I'm going to hit that up. I had a subscriber tell me where there's a good spot to go riding up near there. Want to show me some off the beaten path stuff? I'm game. They're very unfriendly people. Hill. this so I can check that out on the way back. There. There's a little dam back there, it looked like. Can you take a guess what that is? Nope. It's not a AR-15. It's not a gun. That's right. Yeah, I know this is a backpack, but you put this on your back, and this is so tall, it like pushes way up on the back of your head. So on a motorcycle, this isn't working that great. So I got into metal detecting about maybe 2 years ago. I'm no expert. I enjoy doing it. I haven't really found much. Just coins. Nothing, no big money coins. I think the oldest coin I found was like a 1930 or something. But it's fun. I think it's fun. This is an old iron. I think it's iron ore. Used to be. Yeah, so it's probably full of iron stuff. But I figured I'd just look around anyway. You never know. Dime already. Being an iron ore place is probably a stupid place to try. There's probably chunks of iron all over the place. Something big. Wow, big chunk of metal. Another big chunk of metal. Wow. Wow, is there that much metal on the ground here? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, well, I bet you'll be finding a lot of that. Garbage. I was afraid of that. There's some kind of animal hole. You know, the old foundations, people throw garbage and crap in them. What the hell is that, a well? Oh. Gold, my ass. Jesus. What the hell that is? What the hell? Nah, too much steel, I figured. Jeez. Hmm. guess that's a lot of what I'll find up here. I figured. Oh well. I gotta find some real places. And find nothing. Well, Cheesy, he ain't retiring. Didn't hit the big one. I better take a piss before I hit the road.
Excuse me while I whip this out.
Man, that's a huge stick. That's the hugest stick I ever saw. It's a good looking stick too. I think you all agree. Look at it. That's a nice stick, ain't it? Mm-hmm. That's a huge stick. I gotta find my mark. There it is. Fuck it. Nothing but iron. This sucks. Violators will be prostituted. They got some nerve. I want to take that road and come out on the other side. Haters. Man, that's one of Cheese peeves right there. I know it's a regular road and it used to go through there. Let us drive through the middle of the preserve and not go off the trail. Much nicer than the other people hiking. I have no idea where this road goes. Hey, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe.